Alright y'all, so before we get this video started, we decided to do 20% off our non-toxic teas for this day only, just like we did on the cups when we did 50% off. So today we're doing 20% off non-toxic teas. Y'all gonna see it throughout my videos. That's our new brand. Follow our Instagram page, NTVO_ on Instagram. All you have to do, we'll put the discount code up here right about now, and then I'm gonna also show y'all a picture of the shirt if you haven't seen the shirt that our brand. So like I said, 20% off non-toxic teas. The discount code will be good vibes. All right, so link would be down below, so go ahead and y'all get y'all a shirt, and I'll see y'all on the video. Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. So today we are going to go install front splitters, the front splitters on my G8 that I bought like a long time ago. Splitter rods, because that's one. I have to find the other one, but I've been having these and I've been wanting to install them to see how they look on the car, but never had the chance. So it shouldn't be that hard. All it is drilling a hole, 2 holes or 4 holes, and that's it. So these are the giveaway, not the giveaway. These are the splitter rods that I got. They're universal. You can extend them, you can shorten them, however you want to do it. You can adjust them and stuff. So I kind of want them to up and down. That's how I kind of want it, up and down like this. But I'm guessing if I can get this in here, I can have it up and down. I don't want it to go side. I really don't like the side look, so I just want it to go straight down, just like this one, about right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole right here. I'm gonna drill a hole and go ahead and start connecting it and see how it would look. I mean, drilling a hole won't hurt it. So I got this little drill I bought recently from Walmart. Got me a couple of little drills, and I think I'm gonna use this one right here, the 532. That one should be good. So, alright, so I'm about to go ahead and, like I said, drill a hole probably about right here. So I've been having this spoiler on for like 6-7 months now probably, and honestly, it's probably the cheapest spoiler you can buy. I probably should have extended it out more. And damn, squeaky truck. But my honest opinion, I really don't like it, to be honest with you, after having it for some time. I mean, it's been holding up, but I mean, I really want to get one that kind of goes with the bumper eventually. So let me go ahead and drill this hole. Alright, so like I said, you can adjust it. So this one is a little too long, so I'm gonna adjust it all the way to where it's short enough to fit right here. Drill the hole inside the spoiler, not the spoiler, in the splitter as well. So I'm thinking about right here is fine.
She would.
The baby. And,
she was up before. Hi. She was up.
Alright, so this is the finished product right here. I think it looks pretty good. Just something small to add to the G8 while we ain't doing nothing. But from far away. And me, my preference is up and down and not here to here. Some people do from like, I guess, diagonal, and I mean, I don't really like diagonal. I like it to be up and down like this. So what I'm doing on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and just do to this side in the exact same spot, and then I'm gonna start screwing it up. All right, so all installed. I may change the location, and I have to get a new one of these because this one is cracked. But it's on there pretty tight. You gonna get asthma?
Hell, I got asthma.
but they on there tight. I think they look pretty good. Not bad. This one, I'm gonna have to get another one. I have to change these fog lights out. I'm probably the only G8 with these type of fog lights, because I haven't seen nobody else put them on there yet. So there's this camera. I gotta start using my other little thing.
Ooh, get it, girl. Fix that car. Fix it. What are you gonna do today, Dallas?
I got a CAMARO.
Uh-huh.
And I got a CAMARO.
And what are you and Uncle Bo gonna do?
In the trash. Do what?
I got to help you.
Sonic, shoo! Out of the street, please. Over here, sidewalk. Come on. You ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Go.
5, 7.
You forget 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7.
5.
No. 1,
Go, Ella, go.
2.
Hold on, let's race.
Who's gonna win?
Are you recording?
Yeah. Don't knock my child off the sidewalk. Dang, Uncle Mo.
What happened?
In the trash. Uncle Mo is not a fair player.
Slow. Alright, let me go start cooking.
The next day.
We are on the way to Gus' shop again to try to figure out this ABS problem. So a lot of y'all said a lot of people are having the same problem that I'm having, which that caught me by surprise. I thought it was just my car. So this may be like a common issue with the swap. So what we're gonna try to do this time is try to change the harness. We're gonna try to put a new harness on it and see if that man, I need a haircut. So let me let my hair down. What we're gonna try to do is, like I said, change the harness, see if the harness, see if that works. If it don't work, then I don't know. Now I seen a lot of y'all were talking about to make sure that we clean the inside where the sensors go. So we'll probably try that out, probably stick a little air truck in there and try to blow inside there, clean that out. But it was pretty cleaned out last time. It did have some rust in there, so that was one issue that we did run into. So hopefully when we put this new harness on, that it'll fix the problem. And obviously if it doesn't fix the problem, y'all know by this video. So I got my Monation shirt on today, and then on the back is my car. So I'm gonna show y'all that, probably put up a picture, because obviously I'm driving right now, so I can't show y'all the back. But the back is my car and stuff. So I'm thinking about tweaking the design a little bit, but then eventually I'm thinking about putting that on the website as well as it'll have Monation on the tab and stuff for the channel and all that. So, and then I've still got the powder coated tumblers up there and stuff. So y'all make sure y'all go, if you want a Pontiac tumbler, make sure y'all go grab you one. All you gotta do is put it in the notes whenever you purchase the powder coated tumbler. So let's go ahead and get to Gus' shop and see what we can, how we gonna get this done and what we gonna do and stuff. All right, so this is the harness right here. So we'll be taking this off and replacing it with another one. Hope it's focused. So we're trying to do it without taking the wheels off, right? So this is the other harness we're gonna be putting on. So hopefully this fixes the problem. Alright. So we got it in. The one problem we ran into is this boot is messed up. Got grease right. Okay. Got a hand on it. Got grease and stuff on the inside, so we have to change the axle one of these days. But we're about to go ahead and test it out. Got the new harness on there, so. Alright y'all, so We changed the harness, still having the same problem. The only different thing was it was turning off and on, off and on, off and on. That's the only thing it did new. So what we're gonna try to do is, he thinking maybe when I uploaded the tune, I didn't upload it like correctly, and that I might have shut it off too fast after I uploaded it. So he said it happened to him one time when he uploaded the tune, or when he was changing the tune, and he turned it off too fast and it didn't upload right, and it gave him an ABS, the ABS code. So what I did was I went to the house, grabbed the MPVI2 and my laptop, and we're gonna try that.
Traffic lights.
Still trying to figure out this ABS problem. Obviously, we found issues. Also found that the axle need to be replaced. So that's something that happened recently. So I'm gonna go ahead. I gotta go. Either I'm gonna order 2 new ones so I can replace both sides, or so I think I'm gonna replace both of them, or I might as well just go ahead and replace both of them probably. Cause I have to replace one on the truck also. So, but we got to get that done. We also still have to figure out the ABS issue. So this is take 2 of trying to figure out the ABS issue. So we're gonna try to dig into it a little deeper and try to figure out what's going on. Thank you for watching. Hope you haven't had a good day when you watch this video, and I'll see y'all in the Saturday video.